Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. Today we're showing you how to use gemstone mousse on a cast iron sewing base that's seen better days. We're using some Varsol to get all the dirt off, and it really is quite filthy. As you can see by the Q-tips, we're having to get into all the crevices here, especially the wheel wells. Tip it. Once this is clear coated, the rust will come back black again. So it's just surface rust. It's not too bad. Should come up nice. As I'm cleaning this off, I can see that there was just a touch of gold gilding on here. So I think I might try to replace a little bit of that before we spray. I'm just starting on the Singer insignia here. I'm just taking a very small bit onto the tip of this makeup sponge. And I'm just coming along really flat and spreading it along. The makeup sponge is perfect. You can even do this with a finger because it's water-based, so it washes right off. Just spreading it onto all of these flat surfaces where it would have been originally. I think that's good. So I'm just getting a little bit more onto the tip of the makeup sponge. I'm going to come over to the R, start at the top here. And as you can see, it's so smooth, it just spreads really easily. It just lays down enough of this metallic to highlight it. So I'm going to touch this up just a bit. I'm going to switch places with my husband here. Just come around to the other side so that I can see what I'm doing. Just coming flat and just laying it down and rubbing it right along. And I think that's good to go. Just a little bit of highlighting so that it stands out, and once we clear coat that, it's going to be stunning. Looking a million times better.
Yeah. Flip it over?
Wow, look how nicely that came up.
Yeah.
So how do you flip it without getting all wet?
It's such a light coat and it'll be dry in minutes. Just tell them to wait a couple minutes.
Can't believe it's the same piece. It's looking beautiful.
When you get something like this that's so ornate, you can't hit every single little spot. You pretend it's almost like a flat piece, come on an angle to get in and try and hit it from both directions and then from top and the bottom so you get everything coated. But you can't like try and follow each piece. And even a piece like when we do this, you have to almost consider it a flat piece because you'll never be able to follow everything. So come one direction and then the other direction. And we did it from upside down to get it from one angle, now from the second angle. And you should be able to hit just about everything. See? You lose a bit in overspray, but you want to see this end? It looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's looking stunning. I'm just going to come around and get a shot.
When you do spray painting or clear coating, you should always get yourself a spare can. Sometimes the nozzles don't work forever, or you might get one with a bad nozzle, and at least then you can keep working if it runs out or it fails. Look at that singer, it just pops. Beautiful.
Even the wood is popping.
Yep. It looks great. Look at it. Try and look at it from every angle. Make sure you hit everything. Make sure you trigger your can. You don't just hold it on the whole time, because you'll get runs wherever you come to an end and stop. So you'll see it stopping and starting. If you just come across like that, you're putting too much clear there and too much clear there. You can get runs. Okay, does that look good?
It looks beautiful.
Make sure your edges you're going to see. Get a good coat.
When done, turn the can upside down and depress the nozzle. That will prevent the can from becoming clogged in the future. That gold just looks stunning. Really brings out all the detail. It was so easy to do. And there we are, all done. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications of our upcoming projects. Thanks for watching. Join us again soon for another flip on the fly. If you're interested in trying out some of these products, I'll leave links down in the description.